Hello everyone, I'm going to be teaching you all about how to make sure that you have enough filament for your project. Okay, so for every single 3D print you're going to do, you need to make sure that you have enough filament. Uh, because if you don't have enough filament, the print won't be completed and your print will fail and you'll just be wasting time, energy, and filament. So let's say I have this standard 3D thing where I have a lot of objects that I want to print. And even if your print is really, really small, I'd still just check that you have enough filament just to be sure. And I'm not going to go through everything over here just because it's already standardized for me. But if you wanted to know how to accurately put in the right units for the Makerspace bamboo printers, just watch my first tutorial. Anyway, so I'm going to slice this plate. So now it's going to currently be slicing. Might take a bit of time just because there's so much, but okay. So on this information board, it shows everything that is about this print. So for instance, the total time it's going to take is 16 hours, which is way too much in of it already. But if you were to contact Makerspace and ask about it, maybe you would be able to do this, but you probably just need to ask the Makerspace first. But for any regular print, going above 8 hours is bad, but that's not the focus of this video. The focus is how much filament are you using? So right now it says 152.28 meters and 461.52 grams. That's how much filament it's just how much filament you're going to be using. And let's say you were to 3D print something and then you weren't able to actually use a spool of filament that had that much, the print would fail. So we're going to show you how to correctly estimate how much filament you're going to need. All right.
Okay, so this is how you determine how much filament is existing on your spool. So back on that print, it said that we needed around, we needed around 461 grams. So let's say I have this full spool of filament, and I want to see if there's 461 grams. Let's see. Okay, so it's on grams, this scale. Oh, and by the way, we currently don't have one of these scales. And usually everyone who is in the Makerspace is a part of a club, so ask your club for one of these scales. If you don't have a scale, politely ask a club if you can borrow theirs. Okay, thanks. All right, let's see how heavy this is. Okay, so this is 1,240 grams, or 1.24 kilograms. So there's definitely enough on here, but let's say our print was, 1.1 kilograms. So right back to here, this says 1.24 kilograms. Let's say our print needed 1.1 kilograms for some reason. And so you had a question about, okay, well, I'm confused. How do I determine how much of 1.24 kilograms is the spool and how much of it is this plastic support? So one thing that you can do is that you can watch this video and you can see that I have a plastic support and I also have a cardboard support, because sometimes these spool of filaments are made out of cardboard. What I would do is that since I have an empty one, or at least an almost empty one, I'm going to measure the weight of this and subtract it from the weight of this. So all of this is 1.24 kilograms, and my project requires 1.1 kilograms. So let's see how heavy this is. Okay, so this basically there is still some filament on there, but since filament's super light, I'm gonna assume that most of this weight is the plastic cylinder. Okay, so there's 251 grams on there. So this casing right here is around 251 grams. So basically, the amount of spool that I have on this is 1,240 minus 251, which, let me grab my calculator. So 1,240 grams minus 251 grams is 989 grams. So you're gonna ask, okay, what does this number mean? This means that on this spool, I have around 989 grams of filament. And so now you may be worrying, okay, well, if my project requires 1,100 or 1.1 kilograms, you know that you would not have enough and your print would fail. So this is basically how you determine how much filament is in this spool. You don't simply measure this entire thing, but you measure this, or you measure a spool with a plastic covering or a cardboard covering with its spool on it, and then measure an empty one, an empty hard plastic one, or an empty cardboard one, depending if yours is made out of cardboard or this hard plastic. Measure both of their weights again, and then subtract the plastic one from the one with filament on it, and it should tell you how many grams of actual filament you have. So just to recap, if you were to print something that needed 1.1 kilograms of filament, and you saw on here that this entire thing holds 1.241 kilograms of filament, you would not have enough, because the actual filament is 989 grams. But one would think that you would have enough because this was 1.24 kilograms. But the actual filament amount is 989. Okay, cool.